if x is equals to 2 plus root 3, show that x squared plus 1 over x squared is equals to 14. So we're supposed to show that x squared plus 1 over x squared Okay, so let's substitute. Where there's x, we replace x with what we've been given, is 2 plus root 3. Now remember, this is squared. Again, 1 over 2 plus root 3. This is squared. So let's see how it goes. So since it's squared, it has to multiply by itself. Now, let me just do the multiplication here. I'm multiplying 2 plus root 3 by itself. 2 plus 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times root 3 is 2 root 3. Root 3 times 2 is 2 root 3. And lastly, root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this will give us 7 plus 4 root 3. So multiplying this by itself gives us 7 plus 4, 3 plus 1 over 7 plus 4 root 3 is what we get. Alright, so at this stage, how can we combine these two? We can do it like this. We can say the first fraction has a denominator 1. So the common denominator here is 7 plus 4 root 3. So if 1 goes into this, we'll get this. So this times the numerator there will be 7 plus 4, 3, multiplied by itself. 7 plus 4. The second fraction, if this denominator goes into the common denominator, we get 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now let's expand. 7 times 7, 49. 7 times 4 root 3 will give us 28 root 3. 4 root 3 times 7 again give us 28 3. Then lastly, 4 root 3 times 4 root 3 give us 16. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Remember, there's a plus 1, and all this is over 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay. Let's bring it here. So this implies that we have the 49 plus 16 times 3 is 48. Then the 1. 28 root 3 plus 28 3 would give us 56 root 3. All this is over 7 plus 4 root 3. Okay, so this is equals to, so 49 plus 48 plus 1 would give us 98 plus 56 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. So this is where we are. So now, to conclude this, we have to rationalize again. So what we have is 98 plus 56 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. So let's rationalize the denominator by multiplying by the conjugate of the denominator, which that conjugate is 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. So in the numerator, we have 98. We're expanding now. So 98 times 7 gives us 686. 98 times 4. So 98 times 4 root 3 gives us negative 392 root 3. So 56 root 3 times 7. So that is 56 by 7. That gives us positive 392 root 3. Then 56 root 3 times 4 root 3. So that's just 56 times 4, giving us 224. Negative 224. The root 3 times the root 3, simply 3. The denominator, 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 4 root 3 will be negative 28. 3. 4 root 3 times 7 is positive 28 root 3. 4 root 3 times 4 root 3 is negative 16. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this will be equals to. So you can see that these two are the same. One is positive, one is negative. So the only thing we remain with is 686 minus 224 times 3 is 672 divided by denominator again. This cancels this, they are the same. So 49 minus 16 times 3 is 48. So 686 minus 672 gives us 14. 49 minus 48 is 1. So this is just equals to 10. And that's what we're looking for. So it's like that. It's shown.